and running through the installer. So here's how you can get it working. First, you want to download ThinkUp from GitHub. Once you have it, extract it all, and then you're going to upload the whole ThinkUp folder to the domain you want to host it on. In this case, it's adampatch.com/thinkup. Just going to wait a little while it uploads. Okay, and once the upload's complete, you can go to the folder you uploaded it to, and you should get an installation prompt. For some reason at this point, Dreamhost doesn't quite work with ThinkUp's setup and site configuration, so what you need to do is manually create the database at your Dreamhost web panel. So open it up and go to MySQL databases, and you're going to create a new database down at the bottom. Your database name has to be unique, and since it's on a shared server, ThinkUp probably won't work. I'm just using my name plus ThinkUp afterwards. Okay, so once you've got that added, go back to the ThinkUp installation and fill it out with your information. At this point, you want to use the database name of the database you just created and enter in your username and password from Dreamhost. You need to set the database host to the host you've got in your Dreamhost account. I'm using this one. I don't know if it's necessary or not, but that's your database port. Now, before you hit next step, we actually need to configure the config file. So go to the ThinkUp folder, and I'm going to make a copy of this config file, and then I'm going to edit it. If you installed ThinkUp just below the root of your server, it should look pretty much similar to this. On my Dreamhost account, this is the full path. Yours may differ. Well, it's definitely going to differ because you're not using adampatch.com. And then you need to set up the database config down here using the same host that you used on the installer and the same username and password. And the same database name you just set up. You can save that. And then on the server you want to rename the file so that it get rid of sample and copy. Now you can click through to the next step, and you should be installed. You'll get an email notification. Copy and paste.